If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them, as updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection to ensure it is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the issue persists, consider adjusting your network settings. This may include enabling UPnP, port forwarding, or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.